How to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 10.
Now simply open your Microsoft browser and type here download Google Chrome and hit the enter button. Now you have to notice one thing, it should be google.com. Now just click on that link. Now you have to wait just for a little bit and now click on download Chrome. It will start downloading. Now you have to click on downloaded file. As you can see, it's downloading and installing the Google Chrome. So friend, as you can see, Google Chrome is installed successfully. Now just open your Google Chrome and you can search anything you want. Like I search Imran Khan pic and you can see the results here.